Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. You need an admin account with MDM console access and two-factor authentication active. Once confirmed, locate the student record by searching their student ID or device serial in the console. Make sure the device shows as enrolled and online. If it is offline, attempt a ping or message to wake it. Once you see the device status, open the student profile so you can begin targeted updates without interrupting other users. You now apply the actual updates. Select the student's device or profile and choose the configuration or app policy to modify. Change settings like Wi-Fi credentials, restrictions, app assignments, or the OS update channel. Explain why each change matters to reduce support calls. Once adjusted, choose whether to push immediately or target a small test group. Staged rollout limits risk. Make sure you include a short rationale in the change notes so colleagues understand the intent when you finish by pushing the policy and verifying delivery. Watch the sync status and inspect device logs for applied changes. Once confirmed, notify the student with brief instructions. Reboot, relogin, or open a specific app if needed. If the device fails to accept the update, try resync, clear conflicting profiles, or re-enroll the device. If those fail, escalate to vendor support with logs. One key troubleshooting tip: always check enrollment status first. Most failures trace back to enrollment or connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.